Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix mouse cursor disappears in Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, we need to press Windows plus X on keyboard. Then you will see this window, and right here we are going to use our arrows keys. And now here we are going to press the down arrow key first to head to the option device manager. Once you are on the device manager, just hit enter to open this window. And now here we are going to press tab just because we want to access this. Now we just need to press again down arrow key and go to the option mice and other pointing devices. Once you are here, now press right arrow key to open it up, and once it is open, just again press down arrow key. And now here is the main part where we are going to hit shift plus F10 to open these options. And now here we are going to uninstall this device. So for that we are going to again press down arrow key to go to the option uninstall device. Now hit enter. Again we have to hit enter to uninstall this, and once it is uninstalled we are going to close the device manager. So just press alt plus F4 to close the device manager. And once you are on your desktop, we are again going to hit alt plus F4 to get this window. And now you can press the down arrow key or up arrow key to set your PC on shutdown or restart. Let me set it on restart, so I'll just going to hit down arrow key to set it on restart. And here we just need to press enter to restart the PC. Once your PC restarts, you will see that your cursor is back and you can see your cursor now. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can solve this problem. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.